Alright, so in this haircut you can see we're starting it off by doing some frame-the-face layering. Now, my model wanted to keep her hair as long as possible, so what we decided is not to cut the length at all on this haircut. We'll do it every other haircut, so the last time we cut it, we cut the length. The next time we cut it, we'll cut the length again. But in this time, we will not cut the length, we will just go through and layer the haircut. That will allow her to be able to grow her hair longer, quicker. Unless there's a reason to cut the length. If your model or client's growing their hair out, then hey, let them grow it out. So in this particular case, you can see I'm cutting the frame-the-face layers. Once I've completed the frame-the-face layers, we will go ahead, dive in, and do some really long layers. Now, one of the things that we wanted to accomplish by doing those really long layers is just to make the back a little bit lighter. However, we didn't want to layer it too much because then it would make the hair a lot more finer, a lot more thinner, so we wanted to maintain as much of the bulk as possible. So that is why we decided to do a very long layering technique in the back of the hair, as well as, of course, the frame-the-face layers. The frame-the-face layers are good because it's going to lighten the layering up around her face. So, as you can see, right here, I'm now doing the layering throughout the interior of her haircut, the very, very back. So you can see I'm combing that hair just right there, boom, banging off that corner so that we have that long layer right there at the end just to give it a little bit of lightness. Now I'm going to use that very first layer as the guide for the rest of the layering for the rest of the haircut. You can see I'm taking sections, working my way to the left side of her head, combing that hair straight back, using that first section that I cut as the guide to know how much to cut this current section. Now once I complete the layering on the left side, I will complete the layering on the right side. Alright, now that I've completed the layering on the left side, it's time to do the layering on the right side. As you can see, I've taken a section, I'm combing it, over-directing it to that very first section that we cut, which is the guide for all of the layering. And I'm going to continue working my way all the way to the right side. Again, taking another section, working my way on the right side of the head, combing that, over-directing that to the previous section, and then just very ever so slightly cutting that long layer right in there just to lighten it up. Once we complete the layering, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it, and then we'll wrap the haircut all up. Alright, we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As you can see, we didn't touch any of the length, but we lightened up that interior by doing those layers. This way, my model can continue growing her hair. Continue, keyword there. Continue growing out her hair.